Are you a Windows user who wants to use AI models and other powerful apps locally? While Windows is great, Linux offers a much more efficient and secure environment for high-end vision tools and LLMs. If you want to experience the power of Linux apps and AI tools without leaving your Windows desktop, stick around, this video is for you. We're going to show you how to set up Windows-based Linux using PowerShell and Windows Subsystem for Linux, or WSL for short. To install Linux, open PowerShell in admin mode, then type in wsl install. By default, Ubuntu will be installed. There are several other versions available, such as Debian and Fedora. When it is finished installing, set up the WSL instance by typing in this command, wsl-d ubuntu. You can select a password for your new user account here. Here's a pro tip. If you find your system slowing down or your AI models are crashing, you may need to adjust your WSL memory limits. You can do this by creating a simple text file in your Windows user folder called wslconfig. This lets you tell Windows exactly how much RAM to give your Linux environment. When the setup is finished, you can verify it was installed by using the uname command. Another pro tip, make sure hardware virtualization is turned on and virtual machine platform is selected. You can check hardware virtualization in Task Manager under the CPU tab. If not, you will need to modify this in your BIOS. Each BIOS is different. Here are some general settings to look for. Also, under the Features tab and Control Panel, check the Virtual Machine Platform setting. Now that your Linux environment is live, you've unlocked the ability to run high-end vision models on your desktop without a single API call. In the next video, we put this setup to work with a DeepSeek AI model. We'll show you how to perform lightning-fast, accurate OCR locally, saving you from expensive online subscriptions. Click here to start running DeepSeek AI on your machine right now.